Alright, so we all know about the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, a phone with a massive name and a massive 200 megapixel sensor on the back. But despite the count of megapixels, there are some nifty little features in the camera app that you need to know about. Things like clicking massive 200 megapixel images, which is not possible by default, shooting amazing looking videos with the Pro Video mode, adding the cleanest looking watermarks to pictures, or getting amazing long exposure shots. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do all of these things on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So without wasting any time, this is Gaurang, you're watching Guide in Tech. Let's get started. First up, as I said, the phone is not clicking 200 megapixel shots by default. It usually combines all of the data from the different megapixels and then creates a shot which looks great, detailed, sharp, along with taking not that much space on your phone. But in case you still want 200 megapixel photos, here's how you enable that. In the camera app, swipe over to more in the carousel of options above the shutter button, tap on Ultra HD, and then at the top you will see a 200 megapixel option. Just tap on it and all the pictures you click in this mode will be massive 200 megapixel ones. You can zoom into all the details and crop them the way you like easily. Now, another advantage of the massive sensor is that you get great depth of field or bokeh effect, which is natural whenever you're shooting images or videos of a close-up subject. And you can take advantage of that by locking focus to a particular subject. And doing that is super simple. Just tap and hold on the viewfinder at any point where you want the focus to be locked. Hold it till the focus spot turns from white to yellow, and that's it. The focus will be locked at that point with the focal length fixed accordingly. And now, no matter what you're doing, you will get that sweet natural bokeh in your frame. Next up is Pro Mode. Now I know Pro Mode is a very common feature across all smartphones, but it is done really well on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. You get all the standard things that you can adjust like white balance, focus distance, shutter speed, ISO, for both video and photo modes as well. The cool thing is that when you tap on the hamburger button in the top right corner of the screen, from the drop-down menu, you can enable focus peaking. With focus peaking, while controlling the focus manually, red outlines highlight the area of the frame which is in focus, so you know exactly where the focus is of the camera, which is necessary when you're trying to get the natural bokeh in your shot. And this is really handy for the people who are making great content on their phones. Alright, next up, we all know watermarks are very common on most phones. But on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, there are a few things that take watermarks a step further. And the feature that enables all of this is AI watermarks. And I know AI is overused in every feature on every phone today, but trust me, this feature is good. So first, in the camera app, swipe over to more in the carousel of options above the shutter button. From there, select AI watermark. Now you will see a cool looking watermark with the date on it. If you were to click pictures of something specific like your coffee or the food, the phone will automatically detect that and use a good looking watermark with the image. But if you do not want to trust the phone, you can select a watermark of your own choosing. If you look at the bottom left corner of the viewfinder, you will find a button with an M on it. Tapping on it will open all of the other watermarks that you can use. They are classified into Site, which contains names of monuments, Holidays, which contains names of different festivals and special days, and Scenes, which basically name the weather conditions in the frame or the subject. Next up, have you come across images like these where the car headlights on the street just form blurred lines, or crowds moving around a clean subject in a blur, or a starry sky? You can click all of these pictures on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus with the long exposure feature. To enable this, once again, go to more in the carousel above the shutter button, select long exposure. Once the mode opens, you will get to select the kind of shot you're trying to take, make the selection and then select the frame you want. Once you tap the shutter button, a timer will start. You need to keep holding the phone steadily till you get the kind of picture you want. It can be 1 to 1.5 minutes for these pictures, but in case of a light painting, you will need a tripod. Next up, another nifty little feature inside the camera app is this phone being able to scan documents through the camera app itself. No need to download those shady apps which scam you instead of scanning for you. To go to this in the camera app, in the carousel of options above the shutter button, just swipe over the Documents option, place the camera in front of a document, the camera will automatically frame the document, and when you press the shutter button, a picture will be clicked. The phone will automatically distort and crop the frame to make it look flat. When you open the image itself, you will get a document icon underneath the image. Pressing on it takes you to the menu where you can make the scan black and white or enhance the colors of the text. You can also recrop the image to suit your needs. Alright, now this last tip is for all the content creators out there who like to vlog through their phones. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus comes with a vlog mode which basically shows you different templates of videos where you can use these templates to create your own videos in a very artistic vlog-like sequence. To enable this, swipe over to the More Options menu and select Vlog. Then you will get to see the different templates of videos. Each video has its own color grade or filter, its own music, a duration ranging from 16 seconds to 21 seconds. Select the template you like and tap on the shutter button. Then you will get to choose the different clips according to the template. Each clip will have its specific duration decided by the template, and same goes for the number of clips that you have to shoot. After you have shot everything, the phone will stitch all of these clips together, add the music, and give you the vlog sequence in the style of the template selected. Those are all of the different nifty little features and tricks that you can use to click better images or shoot better videos with the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. And that's pretty much it. If you like the video, like it. If you love the video, then press the subscribe button, and followed by that, you'll get a bell icon. Press that, you'll get notifications of all our videos from now on. This has been Gaurang, and I'll see you in the next one.